I'm Chef Joanne Mwanko of Unilever Food Solutions. Today we're cooking steamed fried rice using Knorr chicken powder and Best Foods real mayonnaise.
By doing the steamed fried rice process, you can have number 1, consistent taste of fried rice, 2, even cooking of the fried rice and you won't have any clumps, 3, moist, tasty and fluffy rice because of Best Foods real mayonnaise.
We'll now apply this special steaming technique in a classic fried rice recipe, Yang Chow Fried Rice.
Pre-cook the meat and vegetables needed for the fried rice. Second, mix the rice with the meat and vegetables. Third, season the rice with Knorr chicken powder and ground white pepper. Fourth, add the Best Foods real mayonnaise. Use your hands to make sure that everything is well incorporated with the rice. Third, cover the food pan with a cling film and steam the rice for 12 minutes in a combi steam oven. After 12 minutes, uncover the food pan and the fried rice is now ready to serve.
And this is our steamed fried rice. Thanks for watching.